I'll be on the outside this time.
Okay.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Watch this.
Oh, you gotta look down. You gotta look down. Come on, you gotta look down. It's great. This is the best part of it here. You have to pay for a thrill ride like this at Disneyland.
Holy moly. I've never gone down this chair before.
Me neither.
Look at me and say hello.
Hello.
There, they love it. They love it. They love it.
I'd rather ski down than go on the chair.
Well, that's a lot harder than riding the chair. Look at that. Oh, look at the beautiful mountain over there. Oh my goodness.
They've got their bikes on. Oh my gosh. They let them ride down here now?
So, they're going to go down, probably down Burnt.
I just like being up high. I don't go down sideways. It's just great.
This doesn't bother you?
Oh no. Oh no. Heavens no.
Oh, I would not want to do kids up there.
I know. Okay, which... Well, I'll tell you what, up there on this chair, it's howling winds. I jumped from here.
Not me.
I did better.
Well, we made it. Had a wonderful ride up and a wonderful ride down. What a treat.
Yes. Would you now call the cab, please?
Are we all
Well,
done?
thank you guys for the wonderful ride up and back. That was just a
You're welcome.
great trip.
Good. We had fun too.
Oh, good.